How to do a three-point turn. Step 1. Pull over to the right side of the road. Before pulling over, check mirrors, use the right signal, and perform a right shoulder check. Slow down, pull over, and stop. Step 2. Turn the wheel left all the way. Perform mirrors check, use the left signal, and do a left shoulder check. Make sure no one is coming from either side and that it's safe to proceed. Drive forward to about a 90-degree angle, or the 9 o'clock position, then stop. Step 3. Turn the wheel right all the way. Put the gear in reverse, but don't reverse yet. Perform a 360-degree vision check. Check your surroundings and proceed only when it's safe. Begin to reverse, go about halfway, and stop. Step 4. Turn the wheel left, use the left signal, and check both sides to ensure no one is coming. Proceed forward if it's safe to do so. That's it. You've done it.